Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another Codeforces problem, the problem B from the Educational Codeforces round 93. So the problem title is substring removal game. So basically what we are given over here is we are given a binary string which contains 1 and 0 or 1 or 0. So what we have to do is there are two players who play the game of removal. So Alice and Bob they play this game, and what they do is they have to optimally, that is they have to delete consecutive ones, and what we have to do is we have to calculate the maximum score which Alice can perform. So what are the maximum number of ones she can delete, so that we have to return that count over here. So for example, let's take this string, binary string. So Alice take the first move. So here we can say Alice can first delete these 4 consecutive ones, so the total of Alice becomes 1, and then next turn is Bob's move, so Bob can delete this 1. So this way we can get the count Alice is equal to 4 and Bob deletes the 1. So if we take this string, so here there are consecutive 6 ones, so Alice can directly delete all the ones, so this way she can get the score, maximum score, that is 6. So this is what we have to perform over here. So to solve this thing, I feel this is a kind of 2 pointers technique. What we have to do is we have to find the bunch of consecutive ones over here, and we have to delete all them in a one go, and this way we can keep on performing this technique. So basically we are going to perform initially we will form a list which will contain the consecutive ones in that, and based on that we will sort that list in a descending order, and so Alice takes the first move, so we will perform the modulo 2 operation, and if the index value is divisible by 2, then that turn will be performed by Alice, and we will keep the count of Alice. So let's get into the code part now. So here we are given if this inside this main we are simply collecting the binary string over here, then I am calling this extract ones function over here. So what I am doing over here is in this extract ones, so here I am defining this array list over here which contains the count of consecutive ones. Then I am simply performing this for loop which starts from 0 to length of the string, and I am I just have to take care of the character once only. So as and when the character 1 is detected or found, so what I am doing is I am defining a variable a, and I am storing the index of I over in that. Then from the next character index, that is I plus 1, I am again performing another for loop, and I am checking, I am keep on checking whether I am detecting the consecutive ones, and once I reach to the stage where I find the jth character is equal to 0, I am breaking that loop over here, and finally what I am doing is I am checking the j minus a. So basically I can perform j minus I over here, and if the value is greater than 0, then I am adding that value inside this list, and I am resetting the ith pointer to the jth value, because from that point onwards I have to do the further calculation. Once it is done, what I am doing over here is I am calling this solve function over here, and in this solve function what I am doing is initially I am sorting this list in the descending order, and after that what I am doing is I am performing this for loop, iterating through this for loop for that list of items, and I am checking the Alice turn only. So that's why this modulo 2 operation is performed, and for the every modulo 2 is equal to 0, then I am adding the value of that list index to the Alice count, and finally I am printing this value over here. So if you run this solution or if you submit this solution on Codeforces, so it will pass all the test cases and you will get accepted over there. And if you want this solution, I have uploaded this solution on the GitHub and provided the link in the description section below, so you can refer it. Thanks for now, and stay tuned for the next one.